Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm reviewing my Rock Island Armory. This is made in the Philippines. This is made by Armorscore and distributed by Rock Island Armory, based in America. And this is a beautiful gun, and as you see, I got this. This is a tactical model. It comes with the skeletonized trigger, skeletonized hammer, extended beaver tail. It has a serrated pin, hammer pin or guide pin, and I purchased a hog rubberized grip. It comes with a PIX Novak sight and a front PIX sight as well. And the nice thing with the Rock Island, as you see, this is a tactical model. It didn't come with the optical serrated 4+ light, but it's a beautiful gun. I own this for so many years, and I shot almost 5,000 rounds. I have some issue before, but this gun is empty. As you see, it's an empty. It comes with this stabilizer bar. This is what it looks like. As what I said a while ago, I shot almost 5,000 rounds. I have some issue before. I had FTF or functions to PID, but I sent this to Rock Island company, Armory company, and they fixed the problem. Since then, I don't have any issue regarding with this gun. And as you see, I got a Chip McCormick 10 rounds magazine. This gun, the Rock Island, once you buy, it comes with the 2 Novak magazine, 8 rounds. But I bought this type of magazine, the Chip McCormick. Once you guys buy a 1911 magazine, I highly recommend you guys always put an ammunition to the magazine, just to recondition the magazine. That's the only way that your magazine will reconditions and will function flawlessly. Because if you guys get this is 10 rounds for brand new magazine, and you will use it to your gun, it will cause function stupid. But as what I said a while ago, I basically put a live ammunitions. But whenever you guys put a live ammunition, don't put it to the don't put it to the gun, just for safety purposes also. And make sure that it's an empty. As you see, it's an empty, so I don't have any problem. So I highly recommend you guys to get the Rock Island. This is the best gun that you guys can buy. A lot of people have skeptic with this type particular gun, but I own this since 2009, I believe 2009. Since then, I don't have any problem. 5,000 rounds is the best gun that I can guarantee you guys. If you guys use a defensive home defense gun or a target shooting guns, I highly recommend you guys to get this type of gun. It comes with some bells and whistles, as what I said a while ago, like skeletonized trigger.